Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to share the Emoton tablet stand with you. So this is in the color green. It's for my son. He does a lot of his schooling on his iPad, and this has been fantastic. So it's fully adjustable. You can move it any angle you want. You can have it low, high, backwards, forwards, whatever you want, and it's not budging. So extremely tight. It holds its shape, so no worrying about it starting to fall as you're working. Really, really nice and sturdy. And then when you're done with it, it folds up completely flat. And so you can store this. It takes up no room at all. You can shove it in a laptop bag, your backpack, and you can take it with you. I also really like that it has the hole at the back to be able to charge. So if you need to plug it in while you're using it, it doesn't get in the way whatsoever. So if you need something for schooling, for work, for entertainment, whatever it is, I think this is a really, really great tablet stand. It's nice and wide, so it holds all your standard tablets, or you could even put a cell phone in there if you wanted to. So definitely one to try out. Can't recommend it enough, and that's my point of view.